Hi, I'm Martine.
I'm Jerod.
And I'm Valerie, and we are criminal defense attorneys coming to you from Los Angeles, California.
All right, so Valerie, Martine, somebody calls our office, a loved one has been arrested, they're in custody here in LA. It's a drug case or a fraud case, bail's $125,000, if not more. And what's the first thing we're concerned about?
I'm concerned about the bail hold, a possible 1275 hold on the bail.
And what is a 1275 bail hold?
The 1275 hold is basically a hold placed on a prosecutor.
Placed on the prosecutor?
Placed by the prosecutor on the accused of the crime, meaning that they can't just bail out. They need to establish the legitimacy of the funds before they can bail out. So in other words, they're worried about drug money or stolen money being used to bail someone out, and that's not allowed.
So how do we overcome a 1275 hold?
I think the first thing is when someone is in custody, the family member or friends or whoever it is that is going to put down the money, we have to talk to them and establish where that money is coming from. Obtain pay stubs, obtain tax records, get indications from their bank records that in fact the money that they have hasn't come from some illegal or illicit manner. Once we have that, we can do one of two things. We can negotiate with the district attorney so that they can take that information and just drop the hold informally. If they refuse to do that, then of course we can go to court and have a 1275 hearing.
And how's that hearing conducted if we have to go to court?
Well, basically the same evidence you present to the prosecutor, you present to the judge, and you do that through witnesses. Sometimes a bondsman helps out a lot because the bondsman could put up, if you watched our other video on bonds, you would understand that a bondsman will put up the large majority of those funds, so then you only have to justify 8 to 10% of the total amount. So in a $125,000 case, it might be $10,000 to $12,500 that you have to show to the judge is absolutely legitimate, and they would accept that, lift the hold, and your loved one will be free.
Anything else to add?
I think that the big thing is don't be afraid if a 1275 hold has been placed on your loved one or your family or friend. I mean, the reality is there are ways that we can work with the prosecutor to get that lifted. And then, of course, if they refuse to do that, it's our job to fight for you and make sure that we can justify where those funds came from so that the individual that's in custody can get out faster.
So there it is. Give us a call if you have any questions about bail, 1275 holds. Again, they're most common in drug cases and in fraud cases. Give us a call. Happy to help you out.